Hello and welcome to Empower and Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Joanna, and I'm thrilled to have you here again as we dive into the world of mentorship. What it is and how to find the right mentor and why having one can transform your career and your personal growth. If you're here, it means you're looking to grow, you're looking to learn and position yourself for success. And I'm here to guide you on that journey. So let's get started. A mentor is someone who has walked the path that you're on and is willing to share their insights, their guidance, and wisdom to help you grow. So see a mentor as a guardian, right? Unlike a manager or a supervisor in an organization, a mentor is not there to evaluate you, but rather they are there to support you, challenge you in ways that accelerate your growth. Don't forget that. So the right mentor can help you, number one, to gain clarity on your career and your personal goals. You must have set some goals for yourself. Either they're developmental goals or organizational type of goals, but they are there to gain clarity, to help you to gain clarity on your career or your personal goals. And also number two, the right mentor can also help you to avoid any pitfalls through learning from their experiences. They share their experiences with you, and you can avoid any common mistakes these common pitfalls. You learn from other people's experience and be able to move on. Also, the right mentor can help you to expand your network. They will also open doors to new opportunities for you. They will also help you to boost your confidence and decision-making skills. A lot of people do lack confidence, right? So the right mentor will help you in this area. So again, let's talk about the different types of mentorship. Mentorship isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's a two-way street. Depending on where you are in your journey, and different types of mentorships might work best for you. There are several of them. I'm going to go through a list of the different types of mentorship, and also you might even be in one of them, or you might know anyone that fits into this category. So we're going to explore a few key ones. Number one, a traditional one-on-one mentorship. Now, this one is the classic mentor-mentee relationship, right? Where an experienced person provides guidance to someone with less experience. Maybe someone just joining an organization and you are assigned or appointed a mentor to provide guidance to you. Number two, you have the peer mentorship. Sometimes the best guidance comes from those at a similar stage in their career or their lives. So peer mentors provide support, accountability, and also shared learning experiences. Number three, we have what we call the reverse mentorship. So in today's fast-paced, changing world, we have young professionals. Often they have insights into technology, newer technology, into trends, and into new ways of thinking. So reverse mentorship allows both parties to learn from each other. Okay? One person is vast, another person is just, coming along, so they can learn and lean on one another. Another one is what we call the group mentorship. Now, this is very common. Some organizations offer structured group mentoring, while multiple mentees will learn from one another in a circle time at the same time. And this broadens perspectives and fosters collaboration. I will share with you more about that because I've been in that situation before myself. So virtual mentorship also. With technology, you're no longer limited to just finding mentors in the office or in the city. Virtual mentorship allows you to connect with industry leaders globally via video calls, emails, or online communities. Okay? Now, how do you find the right mentor? Is there a special way to find the right mentor? In all honesty, finding the right mentor starts with self-reflection. You need to have that. You need to ask yourself questions like, what are my short-term and long-term goals? What are the skills or knowledge I need to develop? I mean, these are things that you're considering because you want to engage, a mentor. You want to have a mentor. And also you think about what type of guidance will be most beneficial for you. Okay? So, and when you have all this, then you are at a point where you're thinking, oh, it's high time for me to get a mentor. Here are some effective ways to find a mentor. I mean, there's several of them, but these are the ones that are close to me. Number one is you're looking within your organization. I mean, if you're working, even if you're not working, you're looking wide out of your comfort zone, right? So if you're in an organization, look within, because many companies have the formal mentorship program, or senior leaders are willing to guide emerging talents. We'll talk about in another episode the differences between formal mentorship and informal. Also, you can join professional networks, industry association, LinkedIn. Networking events can help you connect with potential mentors. A good example is the Be Future events that comes on all the time. Engage in online communities, platforms like LinkedIn, like I mentioned, Twitter, industry-specific forums. They offer actually a wealth of experienced professionals who are open to mentorship. Not everyone is open to mentorship, but there's some that are. Also, be very proactive and ask. A great mentor won't always find you. You'll have to seek them out. Do not be afraid to reach out with well-thought message about why you admire their work and how you'd love to learn from them. That is actually how I approach my mentor. And also remember that mentorship is a two-way relationship. You have to show gratitude, you have to be coachable, be teachable, and bring value to the relationship as well. What are the benefits of having a mentor? Let's talk about that. So having a mentor isn't just about professional guidance, like I mentioned. It's about transformation. It starts from within, right? Transformation. And I'll share a few of the benefits of transformation with you. Number one is you are looking to have a mentor because you want to accelerate your career growth. That's probably what everyone is looking into. And people with mentors are promoted. So they say they are promoted 5 times more than those without mentors. It's possible, and it is possible. Also, you're also looking at expanding your professional network. Really, really matters. LinkedIn is very good for that these days. So mentors can introduce you to key contacts and opportunities within the organization or outside of the organization. And also you're thinking about the personal development. Gain confidence, you really need it. Resiliency, right? And the ability to handle challenges effectively. Very, very important. The last one I would also mention will be to increase your self-awareness. Mentors can help you to see your blind spots. It's like driving a car, and to improve your self-worth, self-awareness. A good mentor can be the catalyst that helps you to reach new heights, and it is very, very possible. There's so many things that surrounds finding a mentor and finding the right mentor. So in conclusion, finding the right mentor can be life challenging, as we know. And the key is to be intentional about your search and also to be open to teaching, to be open to learning. I hope today's episode has given you a strong foundation on what mentorship is all about, the different types of mentorship available, and how to find the right mentor. In my next episode, I'll be talking about formal and informal mentorship. Stay tuned. So, but before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Do you have a mentor? What has the experience been like? Send me a message or connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd love to continue the conversation. If you found value in this episode, please subscribe, share, and leave a review. Let's continue empowering and elevating each other. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep lifting others up as you rise. I leave you with this. The beginning of wisdom is this: get wisdom. Though it costs all you have, get understanding. See you again.